Welcome back to Pondering Creations Landscape Series, guys, episode number 4. It is a pond redo in a backyard in Connecticut. We were able to reuse a lot of the beautiful plant material, so that worked out. One thing we did need new was all new stone and boulders. The actual footprint of this pond didn't really grow very much. There wasn't much space, so we really reworked the space, added a beautiful staircase and some boulders, redug the pond, installed a nice skimmer there, adjusted the waterfalls, and here it is lined. And now what Kevin likes to do is just plant up all of the pockets as he goes, and it just gives it a much cleaner line and an actual little shelf for the plants to sit in. And you can see the little fish cave that we have here inside the pond, so the fish have a place to hide. And here is one more look at what it used to look like before. And then I think the pond came out absolutely great. I think that they'll get much more use out of it, and it'll be way easier to clean, and it's just even sounds better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little pond build, and thanks for watching.